with him? Seems like kind of a loser. All right, this ain't this ain't making me feel good. I just turned on myself. Wouldn't it be cool if Liar Pants really did start on fire? Jen Junkie, guys, is a streamer. She streams just chatting. She is in this Hall of Fame, which means you should give her a follow right now. Were you laid off because of COVID? Had to switch to this 2 weeks ago? Yeah, I don't know anyone personally, well, besides Salty, who's laid off. Bob Ross, happy little donuts. What's up, Mini Moonstorm? Good to see you. Currently redesigning one of my characters. I'm making his designs more simple so I can make him out of construction paper instead of coloring him in. Oh, let me guess. That's going to be the one that I voice act for. Jay, if I'm going to be on your game, if I'm going to be a voice actor, I don't want to be the one doing the voice for that one. Alright, save that for K-Raid. Alright, that's batch number 1. Oh my god, my dough's kind of, you want to see it? Let me give you guys a little peek at what's going on over here. Oh my god. If that doesn't stress you guys out. Oh wait, oh wrong, oh no! Wrong sound effect. Alright, we gotta get that though. We gotta get that though. I meant to do this one. Lexi Burb, you like my hair? What have you ever done inappropriate things with a donut? Weston, there's way better things to do inappropriate things with than a donut. You're not. My friend Jake is doing him. You're voice acting the chef. Really? Is this Harris? Yes, it is 9.5. You don't like Harris Heller? Well, I mean, you didn't. I don't. 9.5. I didn't mean to jump to. I assume you do like Harris Heller. Hey Timmy, how you doing tonight, man? You stressed out, Kiwi, about my balls? I mean, my dough? Be sure you lift that all the way back in a sharp, twisted motion. Uh-oh. What's up, chat time with you? Hey, hey, hey! Donut eating time? I should eat a donut. When will you make a pizza? 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, I will. Stick with me, guys. I'm not a bad guy. We have 110 viewers. Last I checked, 30 minutes ago, we were sitting at 80. All right. I did this pretty weird. Weston, why are you feeling scammed? When will you make pizza? The chef is the one with the 3 bad guys? Wait, is one of the 3 big bad guys? You want me to... You think I have the voice of a bad guy? I know for a fact I'm not a bad guy, Jay. I'm a good guy. I have the voice of a good guy. Sitting here at 607 subscribers on Twitch. You don't get that many subscribers being a bad guy. I mean, look at most of us don't get that much by being a bad guy. Not me, the guy that redeemed the donut eating. Did someone redeem that? Is the fact the higher someone's viewer count is, the better person they are? I was gonna say, I mean, look at Dr. Disrespect. He's a good guy. He's got a lot of subscribers, but he just got banned. No, in the game there are 3 main villains, and the chef is one, and the other 2 boss around, and he's pretty much comic relief. Oh, so my character is a joke. Look at the shine on those balls. Catnip redeemed it. Mic muted. Mic unmuted. Almond flavored cake. Straight out of the fryer. Still 375 degrees. Oh, mic muted. Mic unmuted. K-Dog, it is good. Mic muted. Mic unmuted. Sun Chips, 100% whole grain, harvest cheddar. Heart healthy, you guys. We're gonna have a healthy heart. Mic muted. All right, you want some crunch in the mic? Brace yourselves. Mic mute. That was intense. Oh shit. What if I turn the mic all the way up into it? Oh, sorry, geeky girl. Oh shit. Oh, turn this on. That just got weird. Toxic, I'm sorry. Toxic, that was just weird. What kind of chips? Yeah, those are sun chips, BD and Cow. I love you, geeky girl. Have a great sleep. Juan. Te amo. Jay, that sounds interesting, man. DK is a real life Kyle from South Park. Yo, is this a thing against chat? Yeah. We've been streaming for a couple hours. So my chat, during the stream over the course of the 2 hours, they built up a lot of pent-up anger against one another. And after every couple hours of streaming, I generally put this on just to kind of let them get their frustrations out. And it seems to be really working, because when this game's not on, we are the most wholesome, positive, energy-based community on Twitch. Man, it's so early tonight still. The chat Thunderdome? Mic muted. Did you hear that? Okay, good, you didn't. So I am playing relaxing beats right now because I want you to be able to fall asleep. You can use your points now to create sound effects. There's only one sound effect available right now. It's 100 points. If you want to crack the whip, you do the command redeem space whip. Let me try it out. I don't know if I have enough points.